Welcome to the tutorial for Vinext Sale Notification, a simple yet powerful app that helps you boost sales and build trust by showing recent order notifications on your Shopify store. These small, engaging pop-ups create a sense of urgency and social proof, encouraging visitors to make a purchase. Once you've installed the app, you'll land on the dashboard where you can access all settings. There are several sections: General, Messages, Products, Time, Translation, and the theme setup. In the General settings, you can enable or disable the app and adjust how the notifications look and behave on your storefront. Change the layout, highlight color, text, or background, and set the pop-up size and animation. You can instantly see your changes in the live preview at the bottom left corner. Next is the Products section. Here, you decide which products will show in the notifications. You can select specific products, collections, or display your latest items. For simulated orders, set up virtual names, countries, and a time range, so the app can display random, realistic notifications like 3 hours ago or from London. In the Messages section, you can customize what appears inside the pop-up. Enable or disable call-to-action messages, choose when they appear, and personalize purchase messages with shortcodes, for example, showing customer names, products, and how long ago the order happened. If your store supports multiple languages, you'll have input fields for each one. The Translation tab lets you edit or translate default words and phrases, like hours ago, minutes, or buy now, making it easy to localize your messages for any audience. In the Time section, you can control how often notifications appear. Set the initial delay before the first pop-up, how long each stays visible, and the time gap between each one. You can also limit how many notifications display per page or per session. Before the notifications can appear, make sure the app is enabled in your theme. Go to Online Store, then Themes, click Customize, open App Embeds, and toggle Vinext Sale Notification on. Once enabled, notifications will display based on your configured rules. When customers browse your store, they'll see live or simulated purchase pop-ups appear at the corner of the screen. It makes your store feel busy, trusted, and more engaging, helping you increase conversions effortlessly. Track your campaign results in the Report section. Here you can view total clicks, sales, and interactions from call-to-action messages displayed over selectable time ranges like the last 7, 30, or 60 days. A visual chart helps you see engagement trends, while the table below lists the top 10 most clicked products. This overview gives you a clear picture of how your sale notifications perform and which products attract the most attention.